Before making a career change, reflect on your strengths, passions, and transferable skills. Consider what excites you and what you're naturally good at. Use personality or career assessments to clarify your abilities. Once you know your strengths, research potential careers. Explore industries that interest you and roles that align with your skills. Investigate qualifications, experience, and certifications needed. This research ensures you're heading in the right direction. A career change often requires new skills. Identify knowledge gaps and plan to fill them. Take online courses, earn certifications, or attend workshops. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy can be invaluable resources. Networking is crucial when transitioning careers. Connect with industry professionals through LinkedIn, groups, or events. Informational interviews provide insider knowledge. Networking can lead to mentorship, job opportunities, and valuable advice. Not ready for a full commitment? Start with freelancing, internships, or part-time projects. These steps help you gain experience, build a portfolio, and test the waters before fully committing to a new field. Career changes take time and may involve setbacks. Stay persistent, refine your skills, grow your network, and take small steps forward. Patience is key. Each step brings you closer to your